Well, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Erk and Unk on the Go Show. We made it out here the week after Christmas, day before New Year's. I tell you what, y'all, it's been some kind of weather down here in Louisiana. I mean, 18 degrees last week with the wind chill. Yesterday we had 6 inches of rain. Oh, it's gonna be hard to find those Sac-A-Lait today. But I tell you what, y'all stick around for Unk in the safety corner. Coming at you next.
Good morning. Welcome again to another episode of Erk and Unk on the Go Show. Welcome to another episode of our Safety Corner. We typically do this Safety Corner, have done it for some time, and that's strictly to emphasize the issue of safety as it relates to us, as we attempt to relate to our viewers. One thing we're going to bring up is that we try to maintain a line of continuity from one safety corner to the next safety corner. So being consistent with that, let's make us a quick reference to last time out, our last safety corner. We made direct inference to the ABCs as we saw it, to safety preparation, A, of course, being a checklist, B, of course, reference to the batteries, and C, of course, the issue of complacency as it affects your preparation, execution of the things that need to be done throughout the day, reference to safety and having a good time. Okay, now last time was the ABC of safety. Today we're going to emphasize something else, and we're going to deal with an acronym this time. And the acronym is going to be ICE. Last week was ABC, today is going to be ICE. Now the ICE acronym is for in case of emergency. In case of emergency. We're going to advise you, suggest that you, on board your boat, in your possession, with the things you carry with you normally, have, that's easily to find, in a weatherproof, waterproof envelope, plastic bag, Ziploc, or whatever, an ICE in case of emergency, which should include contact numbers for people that you have, contact 1, 2, or 3, in case you have an emergency. It may be a medical emergency, it may be any type of emergency. It could be something in terms of accident with injury, whereby you cannot respond to questions that would benefit your well-being in case there was an emergency. But if you have a card indicating your proper name, your proper DOB, contact individuals, whatever medications you may require on a daily basis, whatever may be on the list of things that you have allergies towards. If you have allergies, it is extremely imperative to medical professionals, in case someone has to address an issue of need that you may have and not know your allergies. Many times people have gotten a worse condition from administration of medications to an individual subject to injury or sickness and was not able to tell them, I'm allergic to this, I'm allergic to that. If on your ICE card you have this information, have your contact personnel, have your proper name, request the same thing to be on the possessive person of the people that go out with you. If you have that, many times it could be the difference in easy, quick recovery from something, much devastating result otherwise. So pack your ICE card in case of emergency. Have that with you where it can easily be found. I know you have your ID and stuff like that, but it does not give detailed information about who to take care of, who to contact, whatever, in case you have an emergency. So if you think about this, last time out, we incorporated the ABCs. This week we covered ICE, in case of emergency. So with that, we're going to go ahead and close it down. We ain't going to drag it out. So you take care of yourselves, have a good day, and we're going to go out here, and for those of you, knowing that we're right upon now, New Year's, we're going to take the moment to wish each and every one of you a very blessed, a very happy New Year. May it bring forth much joy and everything that goes along with a beautiful, profitable New Year. Take care of yourself.
Ooh, in case of emergency, on said. All right. Always be prepared, y'all. Tell you something. Always let somebody know where you're going. Okay. Can't get to you. You don't know whatever you're in. It might not find. Have your flat. Have all your emergency stuff on hand. And be prepared at all times. When you don't think it's going to happen, that's when it's going to happen. We're going to go out here and see if we can find the Sac-A-Lait now. Alright, y'all. We made it on the water now. I tell you what, it's foggy out here, huh?
Yep, it is.
Got our lights on. This is what we were talking about, how foggy it is. They come zipping across here. You don't see nobody coming out here. They can't stop like talking about, you know. But, Unk.
Hey.
Oh, they had a lot of rain out here, Unk.
Yeah, they had a lot of rain. It said some say 5 inches, some say better than 5. But it's a lot of water. You can see the elevation difference right here.
That's right, Unk. You can see the elevation now. Well, it's gonna be a tough one today, Unk, trying to find good water. I tell you that.
Let me tell you something, son. Listen to me. You've been with me how long?
Oh, I've been with you a while, Unk.
A little bitty fella.
Little bitty thing, Unk.
Yeah, we don't worry about the things that are not perfect.
Oh, the things you can't control, we don't worry about that either, Unk.
Don't worry about it. We're prepared for it.
That's right.
We give it everything the respect that we need to, but when it comes down to worrying about it, that ain't happening.
Oh no, we out here to have fun, Unk.
Yeah,
I don't even care if we don't even catch a fish today, Unk. We done made it out here safe, you know, and don't worry about no accidents on the ground or anything like that, you know what I'm saying? Unk.
Hey.
Tell me something, Unk.
I think we covered some decent ground with our safety corner today. But it's hard for me to get through a morning without thinking about what I witnessed last night. You know what I'm talking about?
What was that, Unk?
I'm talking about the New Orleans Pelicans.
Oh, I told you, Unk. Man, when I said mark my word, yeah, we going all the way. That's right, we gonna take flight. But I tell you what, it's gonna be a challenge on this next game, I tell you that. But we ready, y'all. We had men hurt and we still going, Unk.
Every game's a challenge.
Oh, yeah.
What I think is most remarkable is the evidence team depth, with so many key players being sidelined for one reason or another. And then to have the depth of the bench. And you can't really call them a bench because those kids are playing right now in such a fashion that last week, the week before last, the bench is actually this week's starters. You know? So I think we're less concerned with fielding a team full of starters. What we have is a team full of finishers. And if you got players that can finish a game, you got something special.
That's right, Unk. That's on, right. As long as we finish strong, Unk, we're gonna finish strong. I know y'all said we talk about a little bit of everything on the fishing show, but you know we got to throw it out, you know, for our Pelicans and our Saints. You know, that's our home team. Like I said, you know, we can't go with them. We can't go with nobody. So, you know, this is a good fishing show. We talk about a little bit of everything. You know, we have fun out here. We fellowship, you know, like today, with the conditions like today, ain't promised we catch a fish. The only thing we can do is try to make them bite. That's what we're going to do, huh?
Tell you one thing. With the amount of fog we have, I'd say visibility is about maybe 80 feet. And beyond 80 feet, there's nothing. You can't see anything. So we're not going to do what we planned on doing, that's going across that lake blindly. So we're going to incorporate safety as we've already preached it. We're going to practice it in the same fashion. But we're going to stay on this end until the fog lifts. What do you say?
Oh, that's the safest thing to do, huh? There you go. No accident. That's a perfect day, huh? Yeah, if we're gonna prevent it if it can happen, we got control over that issue. Whether we go or not, you know. You have control over the fog, but we're gonna go ahead and do what we do, you know.
I think it's gonna be a special kind of day today.
That's right.
I mean a special kind of day.
A special day, huh?
Oh, it is.
I don't say that's the word for the day, a special day. Y'all go out and take somebody fishing. Take one of the kids in the neighborhood if you don't have your own. I tell you what, you want to see a smile on their face for a lifetime that you remember, take them fishing. And I'm sure they'll return it when they get older also. Unk took me out fishing, now it's my turn. It used to be the Unk and Erk on the Go Show, but now it's the Erk and Unk on the Go Show because it's my turn. Stick around, and you want somebody to take you fishing when you get old, you take somebody fishing. And y'all have fun. Memories you can't erase. I guarantee you that.
Got to cross those lily pads right there. They don't realize you're losing water.
Yeah.
That thing drops off about 2 feet right there.
Yeah.
And they're away from the channel. Either one or two things. Either they don't know or they don't care.
Oh.
Hey.
I ain't tell you, Unc.
You didn't tell me.
You look good this morning, Unc.
What do you mean?
Look like you rested a little bit.
I'm all right.
Huh?
I'm all right.
All right.
See, you look pretty good yourself, Erk. You looked at it better. I swear you were kin to me. The water's muddy out here.
Well, y'all, it's muddy like we thought. I tell you what, y'all, some rock fishing today, but I tell you what, don't wait till the fall lift. Ain't no need to go out there.
Look back at
Peace out, Jay.
Look like it's back in the town.
But we're gonna slow walk it anyway. Roogaroo.
You didn't take your medicine yet, It might be.
Well, we had some fun out here, y'all. I tell you what, we had some fun. Ain't no telling what's gonna come out of our mouth out here, I tell you that. What subject we gonna talk about?
It looks like root beer, man.
What it look like, on?
Root beer.
That's box root beer, on?
I don't know about box.
Well, that's the extract.
It looks like IBC.
I don't know, that's so close to the Mississippi River muddy Mississippi. I tell you that. All the time, on. We didn't look at enough of our shores to find out where the spots at, on. You know where all the lay downs at now. I can even ask you what that is. Oh, let me see that bait you put on there. That's a homemade bait?
What's that?
That's a homemade bait you got on there?
Hand tied.
Hand tied? Let me see. I ain't gonna touch it. Oh.
Hey.
What kind of hair that is, on? That's pony hair?
That's the hair of a full moon bone rougarou.
Rougarou? Man, you go ahead, oh.
He was born on the full moon, the rougarou.
The rougarou hair?
Rougarou.
You mean to tell me you had contact with the rougarou?
No, it was tough getting it, but I got it.
You got it, huh?
I got it.
All right.
Now I'm gonna put the root juice on it.
Oh, you got some juice too?
Oh yeah.
Oh, too much, yo.
Yeah, we gotta turn this thing into the same.
Oh, I got a hand tied on here too, huh?
Yeah.
I'm gonna see if that juice works. That juice work. I might have to try some of that juice.
Well, I gotta be careful not to spill it.
Oh yeah? What'd it do?
I don't want the fish to boil the water.
Well, if it's that good, you could just be jumping in the boat. Really?
Well, we're gonna have to see. But I still don't like the color of this water.
No, we just passing time on.
I don't want to get to where.
We just passing time, wait till the fall. Just hope the Rougarou don't come get us.
He come back and get his hat.
So on.
Hey.
How you made contact with the Rougarou, huh?
It wasn't. You got to catch him sleeping.
Got to catch him sleeping?
Yes, sir.
You sleep at night, huh?
Sleep whenever he wants to. See the Rougarou.
The Rougarou, huh?
Sleep when he wants to sleep.
Oh, look at this here. I'm about to be squirrel hunting, huh? Huh? Squirrel hunting, huh? I'm all in the trees. All right. All right. Don't kill them all now. I mean, he's black all the way to the bank, huh? He should have went straight to the bank. You might have good water being that black. But you know what, though? You call water in black water after fresh rain, you know what I'm saying, right there? You call water after fresh rain. I mean, fish after fresh rain, you know. Wasn't get too acidic right away. Just pass time, wait till the fall. Just hope the Rougarou don't come get us.
He come back and get his hat.
Alright, y'all. I ain't had the camera on pulling them in, but we got a big baby here. I'll show y'all here. Keep on talking. What? What you talking about?
He got deep voice.
That's deep voice there.
He ain't going. Uh-oh.
He ain't going. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all this in a minute. I'm fighting with him right now. We had to fight with him, y'all. But I'm gonna show y'all this bad boy, y'all. Y'all see that big bad? He talking noise there. Yeah, say hello, y'all. Yeah. Say hello. Oh.
Hey.
See if you get that out the mouth for me.
That's gonna take a surgical procedure.
Oh yeah.
A surgical procedure.
We gotta get some fillets off of him.
A surgical procedure.
I don't.
That's called catfish hook extraction.
Catfish there, y'all. There's a catfish there. Come on. Don't stay in it. Oh, he's jumping out, huh? Oh, we need to wait on top of that box. Catfish monster, y'all. Fresh water. Yeah, he's a whopper. He's a whopper, y'all. You know we had the Sac-A-Lait. We had to show y'all that. Oh.
Hey.
Oh.
Hey.
What you got there, huh?
Well, we're starting off on the right foot.
You got a King Sac-A-Lait, huh?
Call that a king.
That's a king, huh? Like I said, that's problem. Ain't no doubt about that. Back out there. Yeah. That's a king, huh? That's a king.
Hey, dude. That's a nice Sac-A-Lait, that pup.
That's a king, huh?
Nice Sac-A-Lait.
That's a king.
Hey, nice fish.
That's a king, huh?
Nice Sac-A-Lait.
That's a king, that's what I call it.
Nice Sac-A-Lait. fish off?
Yeah.
They ain't say so. That sounds like the real deal.
Man, so hit Sac-A-Lait, y'all. Oh, I don't know if I should put him in there with that big catfish. He might be hungry. Huh?
You gotta fend for yourself.
You gotta fend for yourself, huh?
Legal opportunity box.
Don't say equal opportunity box.
Every now little bass got a worm in his mouth. You know, in the skin? A fish worm, not a earthworm. All right, a little black bass. But you know what, little fella? This is your day. That's right. We're gonna let you swim away. Grow up and become a bigger bass one day.
Big bluegill, huh? Big blue.
Well, you didn't film that last one.
Huh?
Or you didn't film that last one.
What you mean?
I knew I was gonna catch a fish off that stick. I saw it, bro. I had to go get it. Hey, she can pin. Oh yeah. Yeah. They say that she can pin. Ready as sunfish. I knew I had to catch a fish off of that brush pile.
Big catfish? Caught the big bass out here last time, huh? Caught the big bass out here last time.
Huh?
Nice bass.
What? Yep. Nice old bass here, Papa. Big Sac-A-Lait, big bass. Nice fish, nice fish.
That one I just saw you catch.
Yeah.
You didn't see the others though, did you?
Huh? No,
We didn't either.
Look, appreciate that one. That's the only one I saw caught today.
Oh yeah. Good deal, icebreaker.
Oh, that's a little bit of one there.
Hey, hey,
Sac-A-Lait.
it's a sack, ain't it?
Sac-A-Lait.
It's a sack, ain't it? It's a sack, ain't it?
Little gilly.
Get a gill.
Little gilly gill.
Well, it's a good sign, though, ain't it?
No, he's a good sign, huh? Y'all go ahead and smile for YouTube. Y'all have a good New Year now.
All right, you too.
All right.
Tell baby girl she get to see herself on YouTube. I like the old lady said to land it on TV.
Most appreciated.
Yeah,
That'd be nice if you could hook one right now.
Oh, yeah, it would be, wouldn't it?
All right, y'all take care.
All right.
All right, y'all. It came to the end of the day. It come quick this time of year. Tell you what, we had a blessed day. Caught a few Sac-A-Lait bass, big old catfish, chicken pen. We did all right. What you think about it, Unk?
Well, it's been a fine day. Never got hot. Stayed really cool, real cool, but not cold. So it's been a pleasant day. Some quality fish caught, but good day. And unfortunately, we talked to several boats out here. Nobody had more than one fish, most had none. But there's a front system moving this way. I thought that barometer would drop a little bit and probably make things a little better with that falling barometer. But maybe it's not significant enough of a front to make much of a change. But we've had a lot of temperature, weather fluctuations here lately. So we'll see how it is, because not long, guess what? We got something coming up called a spawn. And that should be a live wire time,
That's right, Unk. Last ones we caught had some eggs in them. Yeah. We had a blessed day.
We got a show coming up on Safety Corner. We got some good information to share. I'm not going to tip the hand on it right now, but it's something I think everybody will benefit from. So let's look forward to the next Safety Corner. How about
it? That means that we're going to come on another trip real soon. So y'all stay tuned to the Erk and Unk on the Go show. We see y'all next time. Y'all have a blessed day. Put it down, Unk.